3 to the power of 2x equals 8 to the power of x minus 1. So let's solve this using logarithms. And how can we do that? Let's get started by just taking the log of both sides. You can always do that. So let's just take the log of both sides. And why do we do this? Well, because once we take the logs, we can actually bring down the exponents and multiply them by the logs. Because that's just a log rule. So we're going to have 2x times the log of 3. And that's equal to x minus 1 times the log of 8. Great. What do we do now? Well, what I can do is that I can actually expand, or rather just distribute, the log of 8 over here. So I'm going to get x times the log of 8 minus 1 times log 8 is just negative log 8. Over on the other side of the equation, still have just 2x times the log of 3, which I'll just rewrite as 2x log 3. Fantastic. Now, what I want to do is actually just bring this x log 8 over to the left-hand side of the equation, because then we can combine all the elements with an x. And that's a good thing, trust me. It's going to make things a lot easier. Okay, now these go away, they disappear, and over on the left-hand side of the equation, we're going to get 2x. Whoops. That x didn't come out right. So 2x log 3 minus x log 8 equals negative log 8. That's it. Now, but we have two elements with an x. How can we combine the x's? I can actually just factor the x out. 2x log 3 divided by x is just 2 log 3. Negative x log 8 divided by x is just negative log 8. Because the x's cancel out. Look at that. We just factored the x out. And on the other side of the equation, we still have negative log 8. Then what shall I do? Well, I can just divide both sides of the equation by 2 log 3 minus log 8. Okay. Okay. Great. Are we done? Well, basically. I could plug this into the calculator to figure out what the value is. But I'll actually just leave that up to you and simplify this a little bit. So we're going to have negative log 8. Now, because I just want to make this look a little bit cleaner, 2 log 3, I can actually bring the 2 up as an exponent. So I have log 3 squared. And we're subtracting the log 8 still. Right, so up top we just still have negative log 8. Down below we have log 9, right? 3 squared is 9, minus log 8. Now, because we're subtracting, we can just divide the logarithms. So we're going to have 9 over 8. Then, if we want to be perfectionists, I guess we can actually combine these and rewrite everything as log of the base 9 over 8 of 8. And most teachers would not expect you or want you to go that far. Many teachers would just accept this and that'll be it. But yeah, you always want to ask your teacher to see what he wants you to do. And that's about it. So good luck and check out some more questions on this website down here.